Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to start an LLC in Texas. If you're looking to launch a business this year, establishing a limited liability company is the single best move you can make to protect your personal assets. But if you've ever tried looking up how to do it, you've probably run into a wall of confusing government websites, hidden fees, and absolute legal jargon. That is exactly why we're doing things differently today. Instead of throwing a bunch of boring slides or generic stock footage at you, I'm going to pull back the curtain and walk you through the entire process step by step using the exact platform professional founders use to handle their filings cleanly and privately. The site we'll be using here is Northwest Registered Agent, and we have the link down below in the description so you can open it up and follow along as we do this. Right here at the top of the homepage, there is the Start an LLC button. Now let's click on that because it takes us directly to the Master Breakdown Hub that lays out the exact blueprint we need to follow. Now that we're on the main LLC Hub page, you can see why this site is an absolute goldmine for business owners. If you look as we scroll down, they have mapped out every single layer of business compliance right here on the screen. We can see the state requirements, which can cover initial formation papers, followed right by the federal requirements of your tax tracking, and then the local requirements for your specific city licenses and permits. They even outline your ongoing compliance requirements so your business stays in good standing year after year. Now, seeing all of this organized in one place takes away the guessing game. It shows you exactly what needs to happen. But because business laws are completely different depending on where you live, we need to look at the specific requirements for your target location. To make this real, we're going to use their inbuilt tool. If you click this state selector drop down right here, you can choose any of the 50 states. For this walkthrough, we're going to select Texas, which takes us directly to the localized blueprint for our business. Now that we're on the dedicated start page, we enter step 1 on the screen, naming your brand. As this page highlights right here, you can't just pick a name out of a hat. Legally, your name must be completely distinguishable from any other entity registered in the state. That means that if a business already exists in the Texas state database called Lone Star Consulting, you can't just turn around and name yours Lone Star Consulting 1 or Lone Star Consulting Group. The state portal will definitely flag this as too similar and reject your filing instantly. You also need to make sure you include a clear legal designator at the very end of your name. While you technically can use the full phrase limited liability company, most business owners just stick with the simple clean suffix LLC or L.L.C. To see if your dream brand name is actually available and open for registration, you have to run it through the Texas Secretary of State official business search database, which Northwest handily links you right from this page. Once you type the name in and find a completely clear available slot, you are officially ready to advance. Right below that, we hit step 2, which is securing your domain name. While this is crucial for building your actual website storefront later on, the second you lock down your brand name online, you immediately face a legal hurdle regarding your personal privacy. And that brings us to step 3 on the screen, appointing a registered agent. By law, Texas requires every single LLC to designate a registered agent with a physical street address in the state who can accept legal notices during standard business hours. Here is the massive trap that catches most first-time business owners. The state does allow you to list yourself as your own agent, but if you do that, the physical address you provide, which is your home address, becomes a matter of permanent public record on the Secretary of State database. That means anyone can look up exactly where you live. This is where Northwest Primary Service acts as a complete privacy shield. If you look at how they break down their service right here, hiring them means their professional corporate address goes onto the public state forms instead of yours. They receive your official mail, scan it securely, and upload it to your private portal, keeping your home address completely off the grid. Now, once your privacy is locked in, you move to step 4, officially creating the business by filing the formation document. Now, in Texas, these are your certificate of formation. Now, this document is what officially gives birth to your LLC at the state level. Now, every state has a mandatory non-negotiable state filing fee to process this paperwork. Now, for Texas at this time, the state filing fee is about $300. Now, if you're doing this yourself, you have to pay that upfront directly to the Texas Secretary of State. But as you might notice, if you want to completely avoid the headache of filing out government forms incorrectly, which can cause weeks of delays, you can actually click the hire button on this screen where NatWest will handle the entire filing fee for you for just $39 plus that mandatory $300 state fee, ensuring it's done right the first time. Now, if you're finding this method of registering your LLC easy and stress-free, don't forget that we have the link to Northwest Registered Agent in the description below so you can secure that rate directly. Now, after the state provides your filing, you move to step 5, setting up your operating agreement. As you can see on the page right here, you'll see that this is an internal document that acts as the constitution of your company. It outlines who owns what percentage, how profits are split, and how major decisions are made. Even if you're 100% single member, sole entrepreneur, you still absolutely need this document. It serves as the legal proof that your LLC is a separate entity from you personally. This separation is what we call the corporate veil. If your business is ever sued, this document is what protects your personal house, savings, and car from being taken. The beautiful thing about navigating through NatWest is that they actually provide free attorney-reviewed operating agreement templates right here on this page for you to download and use. With your internal structure locked down, Step 6 requires you to secure your EIN or Employer Identification Number. Think of this as a social security number, but exclusively for your business entity. Now, you need this number from the IRS for 3 massive reasons. You cannot hire employees without it, you need it for federal tax tracking, and most importantly, for small businesses, you cannot open a business bank account without one. Keeping your business money completely separate from your personal money is rule number 1 of asset protection. You can get this number for free directly from the IRS website, or you can have Northwest check the box to handle it for you during your checkout setup. Now we reach the post-filing steps, which is where things get hyper-local. Getting your approval from the state does not mean you're automatically cleared to open your doors. You have to comply with local city and county rules. For example, if you're setting up your business in a major hub like Houston, Dallas, Austin, or San Antonio, you have to look at the specific city level permits and county requirements. Depending on what you sell, Texas also requires you to register with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts for a sales tax permit if you collect sales tax. If you operate under a trade name other than your official LLC name, you also need to file an assumed name certificate at the county or state level. Failing to check these local and state steps can result in fines before you even make your first sale. So always ensure you cross-reference your specific address and business type. Finally, we hit our ongoing maintenance, keeping your business alive year after year. Failing to maintain these state compliance requirements mean you could lose your company's good standing along with your personal liability protection. An LLC is not a set it and forget it asset. Now, if you look at how cleanly Northwest breaks this down on screen, Texas handles ongoing compliance a bit differently than most states. Texas does not require a traditional annual report to the Secretary of State. Instead, all Texas LLCs must file an annual Texas franchise tax report along with a public information report with the Texas Comptroller by May 15th every single year. While most businesses with revenues under the state threshold owe $0 in actual franchise tax, filing the public information report is mandatory to keep your LLC active. Missing this deadline triggers state penalties and puts your entity at risk of forfeiture. Having Northwest track these annual tax deadlines for you on your private dashboard eliminates the risk completely. Taking your business from a rough idea to an official LLC is a massive step toward building real financial independence. While you can absolutely take the information we just looked at on the screen and try to navigate the manual government portals completely on your own, the sheer amount of local filing steps, hidden state processing fees, and privacy risks make it incredibly easy to make a mistake. So if you want to ensure your entity is set up securely, privately, and with 100% professional accuracy right from day one, you can go ahead and use Northwest Registered Agent to handle the heavy lifting for you. With over 25 years building a reputation as the premier privacy-first corporate filing service in the country, you can be assured of a professional service. We have the link to Northwest in the description below, so you can go ahead and make use of it right after this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.